Hey everyone, so here I'm seeing this certificate has expired on my website. So I just need to fix this. I have set up a cron job for that to renew this automatically, but I think some problem is there, so I need to check this on my server. So first we have to just renew it, this certificate, and I can see what's the problem there to renew it automatically to cron job. So okay, let's log in to the server. Okay, so let's check our Nginx configuration here. So this is the configuration we have for, okay, this is different domain. Here, let's search for .com and we have this here. So, okay, so we are using this, let's insert certificate. So, okay, let's try to make that, but we have to stop the Nginx server. Then there is a simple command to remove it to Lego client. So Lego client is something is a utility tool for managing Let's encrypt certificates for your websites, domains. So we'll just change it here and we'll see if this gets fixed. So as you can see, it has validated and validation succeeded. Server responded with certificate. So now what we need to do is just check the path of the removed certificate. It is etc let's encrypt live. So this is permission to manage. So yes, here we have. Okay, so what command we have executed here? This is the command. So path we have given this etc let's encrypt live. So if you hit it again, what you will get this message because you have just now renewed your certificate with using this email ID as identifier, user identifier for this particular domain. So it is identifying like you have just renewed and you have 89 days to expire, so it is not allowing you to do it again. So the correct path would be, let's go to this path, sudo su, then cd. So instead of this directory, this I think I have made it when I was migrating the servers, but this is not the correct directory. You will find all the certificate here. The path you have given in your command, in that you have to look for this certificates directory here. So if you go to this certificates directory, so our renewed certificates are these. You can see the dates. This has updated. So same, this cert and key we have to change the path in our Nginx configuration. So we will go to that Nginx configuration. See Nginx sites. So this is the default path for Nginx server. keep your all server configuration for domain. So here what we can do, we have to change this path here. As you can see, this path is the old one, so we have to change the path here. We will go to, we are using this vim on the server. I have to go to insert mode. We'll change the path, certificates, then the certificate file name, so let's just save and exit. This is the command for save and exit. Okay, so now let's check if this configuration we have changed, if that is correct. That is the command for that. Okay, syntax is okay, test is successful. What we can do, we can restart this Nginx, check the status, running. Now let's refresh this. So it's working now, but the main agenda for doing this, just check the cron tabs. No cron tab added here. Okay, cron tab as a user. Okay, cool. That's it for this particular issue. See you in the next video.